Hello everybody. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to wire and program the Notifier NBG-12LX fire alarm pull station to the Notifier NFS-320 or the Notifier NFS-640 fire alarm control panels. This will not work in the 3030s as the programming is different. So first of all, we'll start off with two different pull stations here in front of you. To the left, we have a conventional firelight pull station. To the right, we have the addressable notifier pull station. So inside the two pull stations, to your left is the conventional, and to the right is the addressable. As you can see, it's a little different. The conventional does not have any modules, but the addressable does have a module. Even the back of the pull stations are a little different. Now, you don't necessarily have to use an addressable pull station on the fire alarm system. You can have a conventional device as long as you have a mini module in the back of it. Something like this. This is a Notifier MMX-101 mini monitor module. So the first thing you want to do is wire up your pull station. And here on the back, terminal 1 and 2 is where you do your hookups. 1 is your minus, 2 is your positive. Don't be alarmed that there's no wire on terminal 2. Once you have the pull station wired, go ahead and mount it to your back box. Once you have your pull station mounted, this is where you want to set your address loop. So, to your left you have your 10s, and to your right you have your 1s. So this one is module 5. So all we need to do is go to the 1s, take our screwdriver, and put the rotary dial to 5. Now let's say this was 25, right? We'll go to the 10s, we'll put it to the 2, so that's 20, and your 1s is your 5. But for this case, it's just a 5, I'm going to put it to 1. It's beginning to blink because I have a module for 25. Now we'll go to our fire alarm control panel. In this case, this is the NFS-640. The NFS-320 is very similar. So we'll go into our programming mode by hitting enter, 1 for programming. We'll go in your master programming, which is all zeros. And you'll press enter. Go into basic programming. Now, you cannot add a singular device through the programming or field programming on the 320 or 640. You can do it within verifier tools, but in this case you have to hit 1 for auto program. Now this will go through all the devices and it will find a device that hasn't been addressed to this panel yet. So once that's done, I'll show you what to do next. Now that the auto program has completed, this is what it should look like. It'll start off as monitor, but if you use the next or previous selections, we're going to change it to a pull station. You can set it to RF monitor module, pull station, smoke, detectors, water flows, so on and so forth. So we're going to set it to a pull station. Now if we do arrow over, this is where we can manually type in our information. We'll go ahead and do that now. So that's my address or label for that. Now zoning. This is your zoning. For my system, I have 2 zones. Zone 1 is for my modules, and Zone 2 is for detectors. If you have no zoning on your system, you can blank that out to 0. So I'll put that at 1. Now everything else is fine, as it shows. 1 module, 5, then we press enter. Then it'll go through your loop 1, so 3 detectors, 4 modules. And there you go. Now let's give the device a test. And there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching.